Have you ever tried replacing a video background and ended up with something that looks cursed? You know, harsh edges, weird colors, the subject floating like a ghost? Yeah, same. Changing backgrounds used to be such a headache, and the results almost never looked clean. But recently, I found something that completely changed the game for me: Higgsfield Kling O1 Video Edit. It's basically the first unified multimodal video model that lets you modify, restyle, extend, and replace video backgrounds with just one engine. And honestly, the results look way better than anything I've done manually. Alright, let me show you how easy it is. First, open the Higgsfield Kling O1 Video Edit website. I dropped the link in the description so you can try it yourself. Then, upload the video you want to edit, specifically the one whose background you want to replace. You'll see Video 1 appear inside the prompt box. Just delete that. After that, upload the background image you want to use. You can even upload up to 4 different backgrounds if you want multiple versions. Now, type your prompt. This is where the magic happens. You can describe the background you want, the atmosphere, even change the subject's outfit. If you want, you can copy the style of the prompt I'm using and adjust it to fit your own background. If you want it simple, leave the auto settings on. But if you prefer more control, like me, turn it off so you can choose your own duration and aspect ratio. A single generation normally uses around 24 tokens, but there's an unlimited mode you can activate so you can generate as much as you want. It just takes a little more time to render, but it's super worth it. Once everything's set, hit generate, and wait a few minutes. And that's it. Your video now has a completely new background, and the blending looks smooth and natural. Honestly, this is miles better than doing background replacement manually. The quality jump is insane. So, if you've been struggling with messy background edits, or you just want a faster and cleaner workflow, definitely give Kling O1 a try, especially since they're offering unlimited generations for anyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plan before December 7th. That's a pretty sweet deal if you edit often. Alright, that's all for me. If your background edits still look chaotic after this, well, that's between you and your editing skills. Go try it. You'll thank yourself later. Catch you in the next video.